Hello and welcome to DASS project. DASS is a European project in partnership with 5 different countries, which aim is to create a tool for youth workers using dance and other creative form to cope with stress. In order for you to be able to have as many information as possible about the program, please make sure to read the booklet that you will find in the description. Enjoy your program.
You are watching the tutorial for the dance activities of the first workshop. Please make sure you lead the warm-up before the following activities. You will find it in the DASS playlist. Enjoy!
The facilitator invites the participants to pick 3 shapes. One easy shape, one more complex, and the last one even more complex, and draw them on a paper sheet. Then, the participants should split into duets. When ready, the facilitator invites them to pick 3 joints different from their partner and create 3 movements representing the 3 shapes they have chosen. They should also pick a journey within the room, covering the amplitude of the room, going through lying on the floor, standing tall, and moving in between the 2. Within this journey, they should include the movements they have created in the order and the speed they decide. They can combine the movements as they wish. When ready, they should show their journey and movements to their partners and combine them to create a choreography together the way they wish. Now it's time for each duet to show their choreography to the rest of the group. 3 minutes to draw a symbol that for you represents your choreography you've made with your partner. Hello, it's now time for you to follow the stretching tutorials that you will find in our DASS playlist. Enjoy!
Thank you for watching. Make sure to watch our next video to complete the program. Enjoy and have a nice day.